Hey, what's up, everybody? Long time no see. Gotten kind of busy with the holidays, but it's that time again for another small unboxing. Into the new year, there'll be more unboxings on a fairly regular basis. But let's take a look at what we got. So there's been a lot going on, as you can imagine, with precious metals. This one, again, is from JM Bullion. Nothing big. It's actually going to be part of some gifts, but here is what we have. So this is actually some silver eagles. These ones were the randoms from JM Bullion, the uncirculated. Price was pretty good. I didn't really buy anything on Black Friday or anything like that, only because the eagles individually, the small amounts, I mean, it's not really that big a deal. I did see on JM Bullion and SD Bullion, a few different places, that they were selling pretty much at spot with free shipping for silver eagles. Actually, yeah, silver eagles. And I think they even might have had gold eagles on there. Some assortment of eagles. But so these are the silver eagles. This is what they look like. I have quite a few tubes of the different sealed eagles, uncirculated from different years. Again, buying something like this is going to be, whatever spot is plus a little premium on there. They're actually really nice coins to look at. I mean, as you can see on this one, for example, this is the other side. Whether you buy gold or silver eagles, it's going to look the same. It's pretty much the same design every year, meaning the silver eagles are the same and the gold eagles are the same. But again, the older that they get, they tend to have a little bit higher premium each year they get older. Why that is, I don't know. I guess people collect, different years, add them in collections. But in the end, it's really just a bullion coin. So it's the whole point of this coin is to be an ounce of silver or an ounce of gold. Again, as we've touched on before, people really like these bullion, government issued bullion coins because it makes it very easy to get rid of. No one's really going to question. I mean, obviously they'll make sure it's real, but these are very transferable when the time comes to sell, which you always want to keep that in mind if you're stocking, because the whole point is at some point you're either going to have to trade it if everything hits the fan, or you're going to sell it at a profit when prices go up. The last couple months, maybe October, November, prices have fallen in the precious metals. They've been getting kind of hammered back down. There's a lot of reasons for that. I mean, the stock market's going up. Whenever stock market goes up, usually that pushes precious metals down. It's not a directly correlated market, but there is something to that. I mean, money's always going to chase return. If something's not going up, people aren't going to buy it. So if you've been waiting on buying your bullion, this is another good time to start doing that again. Again, these eagles, $17, $18 per coin. But it's a great way to build your stack over time. If you buy a couple of coins per month, per week, whatever, over time you're going to have a real stack. Personally, I like bars more than the coins, but I do see how a lot of people stick to the coins. They're actually really nice. The uncirculated are really nice. So that coupled with the easy transferability, you kind of can't go wrong with this kind of thing. So again, if you've been sitting on the sidelines waiting to buy, this is definitely the time to get back in. The eagles, obviously, you're gonna do only 1 ounce eagles. But if you get into the platinum or gold variants, you can do 1/10 gold eagles, quarter ounce eagles, half ounce eagles. So all the way up again, because gold is obviously much more expensive than the silver would be. But the other part of that is that the smaller you go, the higher the premium on each coin. It's nothing, it's not crazy, but if you're stacking, you're not going to want to go too small, especially when you factor in the uh, the tax implications depending on your state. It's a big deal. So, for example, in California, if you buy anything under $1,500, it's you're gonna pay tax on it, which is basically you just giving away money for no reason. It's better to wait until you've saved up 1,500 and buy and purchase. Now, if you're just buying a few Eagles every couple weeks, there's nothing wrong with that. But I mean, if you're buying $500 or $600 at a time, maybe wait a month or 6 weeks or whatever it takes you to get up to that $1,500 mark. You're just giving yourself more silver. There's no reason, especially, obviously it's free shipping from most of the companies, AppMex, JM Bullion, SD Bullion, over a certain amount, which is usually $100. So just a few things to consider. Again, this is a small unboxing, but I'll be started up very shortly, building the stock again. All right, so I'll see you guys soon, and happy holidays.